Good morning, class. Today we will see few numerical questions based on the calculation of mass percent. Okay, so students, as you have seen that we can get about the percentage of the solution on the basis of three forms. That is, it may be calculated as mass by mass percent. It can be calculated as mass by volume percent and volume by volume percent. And students, as we are talking about solution, so you must know that solution is formed by two components. One is solute and the other is solvent. Okay, and students, as we know that solute is present in lesser amount and solvent is present in larger amount. Now student, in your offline classes we have seen the questions related to mass by mass percent, where the mass of solute and mass of solvent was given. So simply we have to just firstly calculate the mass of solution and after that we get the mass percent of the solution. Students, talking about mass percent of a solution, so mass percent of solution is equal to mass of solute upon mass of solution into 100. Okay, so simply this is the mass percent of a solution. Here you have to write mass of solution into 100. Okay, so students, as you can see in this question, the question is quietly changed. That is, the question is calculate the mass of copper sulfate required to prepare 20% mass percent solution in 100 ग्राम ऑफ वाटर. दैट इज स्टूडेंट्स, यहाँ अगर हम बात करें कि गिवन डाटा क्या है, तो आपको बता रहा है मास परसेंट दैट इज 20% एंड मास ऑफ सॉल्वेंट and mass of solvent is 100 gram. Students, here you have to calculate the mass of copper sulfate. That is, you have to calculate mass of solute. Here basically mass of solute is not given, so it is question mark. Okay. And students, as we know the formula of mass percent, that is mass percent is equal to mass of solute upon mass of solution. So mass of solution, that is mass of solute plus mass of water into 100. So students, putting the values, as we know that mass percent is 20% and mass of water is 100. So keeping mass of solute as x, so 20 equals x upon x plus 100 into 100. Okay. Now students, as we know that here multiplication is done, so solving it as 20x plus 20,000 is equal to 100x. Okay, and taking the common terms to a side, 80x is equal to 20,000. Okay, now students, x will be equal to 20,000 by 80, so it will be 25 gram. Okay, so now students, you can see that here mass of solute that is copper sulfate is equal to 25 gram. Okay, so question can be asked in this manner also. Okay, so this is all about today's lecture. Thank you, class.